Today's digital age, our smartphones are an integral part of our lives. We use them for communication, entertainment, and even for productivity. But did you know that your phone can also be a source of income? One innovative way to make money with your phone is by receiving text messages. In this video, we will explore how you can turn your text messages into a revenue stream. Sign up for SMS marketing platforms. Many businesses and marketing companies are willing to pay individuals to receive text messages as part of their marketing campaigns. To get started, sign up for SMS marketing platforms that offer paid opportunities to receive text messages. Some popular platforms include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Cash Texts. These platforms connect you with advertisers who send promotional text messages to your phone. Complete offers and surveys. Once you've signed up for SMS marketing platforms, you can start earning money by completing offers and surveys. Advertisers may send you text messages with links to surveys or offers that you can participate in. By completing these tasks, you earn cash or rewards, which accumulate over time. Refer friends and family. Most SMS marketing platforms offer referral programs where you can earn additional income by inviting friends and family to join. Encourage others to sign up using your referral link, and you'll receive a percentage of their earnings. This can be an excellent way to boost your income over time. Set up filters and manage your preferences. To ensure a seamless experience, it's essential to manage your preferences and set up filters for the types of messages you want to receive. Most platforms allow you to customize your preferences, so you only receive messages that interest you. This way, you can avoid spammy or irrelevant texts and focus on the ones that bring in money. Protect your privacy. While making money through text messages can be profitable, it's essential to prioritize your privacy and security. Be cautious about sharing personal information or clicking on suspicious links. Only sign up for reputable SMS marketing platforms that have privacy policies in place to protect your data. Cash out your earnings. Once you've accumulated a sufficient amount of money or rewards, you can cash out your earnings. Most platforms offer various payout options, such as PayPal transfers, gift cards, or direct deposits. Choose the method that suits you best and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Be consistent. To maximize your earnings, consistency is key. Check your text messages regularly and participate in offers and surveys as they come in. The more active you are, the more money you can make. However, be sure not to overwhelm yourself, as it's crucial to strike a balance between earning and your daily responsibilities.